I am connected to Republican Party of India. From Baba Saheb Ambedkar Party is this. And now Sri Ramdas Athawaleji is the heading of this party. Presently he is the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment at presently. And apart from that, I am the candidate of this 19th Chepakam Tiruvallikeeni constituency. For this constituency, I am contesting as a candidate for the purpose of needs of the needy people, whatever they require from this constituency. I am talking about this only constituency, not with the whole of Tamil Nadu. Okay, there is a lot of differences and there are a lot of queries regarding the property tax and the drainage taxes and the sewage waters. The people are putting heavy taxes. All the commercial people couldn't able to survive to fulfill their needs. According to that, my base and my query is, if I'll become in a power in this constituency, by the grace of Almighty, I will definitely reduce whatever the charges right now they are paying 100%, I will reduce to 25% only they can pay, and they can run his house very poshly. Instead of spending the money into the government, let them spend the money in his own house. It is my intention. And secondary thing, if I can, after contesting, I will get a good reply with the support of the people of Constitution of Chepakam Tiruvallikeeni. I'll come in my way as per the employment. According to the employment, I am willing. It's my intention and it is my ambitious to give jobs to the needy people. If this constituency, after winning also, the government will not support to me, through by my professionality is the industrialist. I have my own industries in Arakonam. I have my automotive industries, glass manufacturing unit. Still it is on under construct. In that industries, I will give in my own way. If government fail to give the jobs, 10 to 12,000 people I will able to give the job in my own factory within a 1.5 year period. The minimum wages is the monthly is 15,000 rupees. For the smallest worker, it is go up to the 35 to 45,000 also, according to the experience of the people. 15,000 rupees sufficient for the entire employees. They can survive. It is a village. Not only talking about that, I am talking about this constituency area. Particularly this constituency people, whoever is willing to work, I will give a job with the 15,000 rupees of the job rent. And apart from that, whoever willing to get a marry, whoever is married, whoever is unmarried, it is not accountable in the 3 stages and all. If I become a member of Legislative Assembly, I will provide them then 1 sovereign of the gold, 8 grams gold, with the support of government. Because everybody can keep the agenda. I am also having the rights to keep the agenda. And based on that, I am providing in my way. Because when the person can happy, then only the city will be happy, constituency will be happy, the growth will be happy. Until unless, nothing will be going to develop in the country. Everybody is working for their own needs. The whole government is not thinking about the human nature. They are only thinking about their own houses, their own family, their own development of the future. I am not thinking about anything. Wherever I stay, more than 20 to 40 years, 30 years, I am being here only. My birth is here. I am like a younger Vittu Pillai Madri. I was just contesting this election. I don't have any other intention. I am not interested in the religious. People are fighting, going, coming. It is all humbug. Some politician is creating, making mess. It is goes unto the rival. At present, there is no such a thing as happening. It is very good for our state also. And the same thing, law and order. If I become a MLA, I will maintain till my end. It is my intention. Do you have any query? You can ask me.
How many people you meet today?
Today campaign.
Today campaign, I am not been so poshly and all. I have not spent a lot of money with these people. The people is having a ruling party and opposition party. They are having a lot of money. They can spend and also they are do something. But I am not like that. I have my criteria. Into that limit only I can go door by door campaign. Many places. I send my people to, I'll take permission for the two-wheelers, not for the many vehicles. You can go through the Election Commission of India, you can find out. Now only I take the Tata S permission, Tata S and one auto. Maybe first I'm starting for the huge, the mass power campaigning. The people should not be fear if I'll vote this person. If somebody some other politician will come, they should not return us. Because of this whole street, they are not put the roads. It is not 1 year, I'm talking about 10 years. From this end to that end, you can see, and that area also. Because of I'm leaving this place, nobody is putting the roads. Because of I'm contesting the election, if I'll win, if I'll get 10 votes, if I'll get 500 votes also, I'll contest regularly. It is my intention. I want to do something for the people of Chepakam Tiruvallur constituency. It is my vision. Then you can ask anything very easy.
People say everybody is what asking to your asking to people.
My people is what asking and what is the demand means. The most of the people is only they are thinking about the own houses, how they run, how they work out. Many MLA comes and many MPs goes, but there is a taxes is there, revenue department is there, as well as the drainage department is there. Everybody is asking me, but the people not counting that. See, the election is the last period. Now everybody giving the notice, immediately you come and pay the taxes. What is mean by that? Everybody cannot pay, no? Some people earning monthly, some people earning early, some people able to pay. Who is in middle class to upper middle class? They will able to. What about the middle class? 60 to 70% is the middle class is here. The downtrodden people is a 30%. Middle class is nothing. They 5 to 10% they will pay. The only thing is Madras 2 only is the name, but the other places and all they are not so posh and rich. They are maintaining the house, middle class people. Based on that money, I am working out this thing.
சேப்பாக்கம் திருவல்லிக்கேணி வந்து ஒரு மோஸ்ட் பாப்புலர் அண்ட் தொகுதி. ஓகே, வந்து இதில் வந்து கண்டெஸ்ட் பண்ணுறவங்களும் வந்து ஒரு ஸ்டார் வேல்யூ உள்ள கேண்டிடேட்ஸ்லாம் வந்து கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. தேர்ட் லெவலில் வந்து நீங்களும் ஒரு நேஷ்னல் பார்ட்டி லெவலில் நீங்களும் அதை கண்டெஸ்ட் பண்ணுறீங்க. உங்களுக்கு என்ன அளவுக்கு வந்து இந்த எலெக்ஷன் வந்து ஒரு சேலஞ்சஸாக இருக்குது, நீங்கள் அதை எப்படி வின் பண்ணுவீங்க?
இப்போ எப்படின்னா எல்லாம் இருக்கிற கட்சிகளில் எல்லாம் அந்தந்த குரூப் ஒன்று ஒன்றா பண்ணிட்டாங்க. பிகாஸ் த பீப்புள் அவேர்னஸ் எல்லாருக்கும் தெரிஞ்சு போச்சு. ரெண்டாவது என்ன, கரோனா கால் வந்த பிறகு எந்த கட்சிக்காரும் யாருக்குமே வந்து பயன்படுத்தலை, யாருக்கும் சலுகை பண்ணலை. எவ்வளோ கட்சியில் ஃபண்ட்ஸ் இருக்குது. இப்போ கரோனா வைரஸ் போயிடுச்சு, எல்லாருக்கும் வீட்டுக்கு ஒரு மூட்டை அரிசி கொடுத்துருக்கலாம். எவனும் அதை பற்றி யோசிக்கவே இல்லை. அந்த வேலையெல்லாம் நம்ம இறங்கி செஞ்சுருக்கோம். நம்ம செஞ்சிருக்கோம், நான் செய்யலை, மக்கள் சப்போர்ட்டால் செஞ்சுருக்கோம். 2000 கும்பத்தில் மெனி மசூதிகள் இருக்குது. லாட் ஆஃப் மஸ்ஜித் இருக்காங்க. பீப்புள் ஆர் கெதர். அவங்கெல்லாம் ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. நானும் அதில் ஒரு பார்ட் ஆஃப் சப்போர்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். இது வந்து அன்பளிப்பு மாதிரி செய்கிற வேலை. இது இறங்கி பண்ணணும். எனக்கு வியாதி வந்துச்சு, நான் விட்டுட்டு ஓட்டேன் இல்லை. எங்கே கரோனா வைரஸில் அங்கே வந்து ராப்பேட்டாவில் பாடி போதும், நிறைய பாடிங்களுக்கு நம்ம ஓடகிராமில் போய் நின்று அவங்கள நம்ம பார்த்து அந்த பேஷண்ட்ஸை வந்து இன்புட் பண்ண வச்சோம். இதுதான் வந்து மக்களுக்கு பப்ளிக் சேவை. இப்போ கரோனா வைரஸ் போயிடுச்சு, எல்லாருக்கும் பாதிப்பு. யாரும் ரோட்டில் சுற்றவே இல்லை. நம்ம சுற்றினா கூட வேக்சினேஷன், சானிடைசேஷன், மாஸ்க், எவ்ரி திங் கவர் வித் அஸ். பேஸ்ட் ஆன் திட் நம்மளுக்கும் ஒரு நம்பிக்கை. பீப்புள் ஆஃப் சிட்டிசன் ஆஃப் சென்னை மோஸ்ட் ப்ராப்பர்லி சேப்பாக்கம் திருவல்லிக்கேணி டிவிஷன், they are very well graduate people. They cannot go blindly. They cannot vote blindly. I have faith for the people of, everybody knows me and I couldn't able to properly present them. Sorry for that. And the time comes, that also I will fulfill it. Because whatever my capability, I will able to do it in my way. Apart from like you, the people of the media, if the support is there, if you publish everything, the reality. Last time we keep an agenda. In that Adi Kesavan house, okay, our minister also came. I have given one agenda. That agenda, it clearly shows. That time I was the deputy chief minister candidate. Last 5 years before, when Amma was alive. You got my point. I have given with my minister the agenda. Whenever I immediately come to the power as a deputy chief minister, I will issue the order for the 5 acres of each and every poor needy people. 5 acres land. Still the bylaw is lying down in the Lok Sabha. The bill is lying down. I'm not talking like in blindly. It is the record is there. How many hectare land is there all over the India? Based on that, in the Tamil Nadu also there is a lot of there. Lot of land is there. So government of Tamil Nadu can able, they will give. If I not win also, if they win, they have to give the 5 acre land to each and every person.
Each and every person.
Each and every person. It is the area is there. Instead, they cannot sell the property they won't use. If they give the public, where is the poverty? Poverty will be gone. People are running, spending the money on the house, constructing.
ஓகே சார்.
Every money is gone. In based on that, I am on proper way. Now my thoughts is, at presently in this constituency I am covering whatever the best thing. First, I will put entire roads should be like a neat and clean. I will put the subway for the east drainage problem, any electrical problem, anything is there. It should be like a England level, not by the talks. It comes under the MLA level. They can do their own consequences. This is, if we do this thing, our city will be developed like anything. It is cover LIC. From here we can go till the Mylapore. It's not ordinary thing. See, whenever the rain will become, entire water will be stopped in the Mount Road signal, Dargah. These are all people are not caring. This I am caring because I am the grassroots worker. I know what is not. What is the requirement of the present situation. This all are if you will cover, if you will do such a good way, like you people, we will develop it in a proper way.
Okay.
My thoughts is, my symbol is helicopter symbol.
Helicopter symbol.
Last time I contested in the Kapan Sasa. Now the national level they are allotted from Election Commission of India, allotted as a helicopter symbol. This is my symbol.
Yeah.
My serial number is 3. My name is Abid Baksh H. Hussain. And the symbol is this. In the roll number, first, second, third. The serial number is 3. The people will think serial number 3, automatically they will find. Because of your lot of electricity problem. See, from the morning till now there is no EV. There is one transformer is there. That transformer 3 years before. Everybody was subjected. The same problem in this area. No one politician come forward to support. The AE knows, other people knows very well. 3 days I didn't sleep along with them. I put the cable along with, as a worker,
Along with you.
along with them.
Yeah.
Government did that job, but I supported my own way. Then we set up the transformer over there.
Okay.
For the whole area, it's covering the electricity.
Super.
This is for the needy, for the need people. People are not understanding. When you are happy, then only you will go upstairs, yeah. When you are not happy, you will go upstairs. Who will see? Nobody will see. Everybody will curse you. We don't want that curse. We want pray. That is not my intention.
ஓகே சார்.
By the grace of Almighty, thanks for your coming. Thanks for giving me times and opportunity.
ஓகே.